In today's video, I'll show you how to transfer incompatible assets from Coinbase to Coinbase Wallet. Now, I'll assume you have your Coinbase and Coinbase Wallet connected, and if you don't know how, we have videos about that on this channel, so just check for that. Alright, so here we are in Coinbase Wallet, and what we want to do is click on the search button and search for Solana, which is our coin that we're going to work with. We'll click on Solana over here. In here, we want to scroll down and click on buy. We want to put in our amount, and on the pay with section, we want to change our network to Coinbase and then transfer from Coinbase. And then what you want to do is just click on continue to payment. You'll get a review screen here and just hit confirm. And that's it. Your incompatible Solana has now been sent to Coinbase Wallet. And that's all there is to it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.